Good morning. I'm Luke Darnell, Old Virginia Smoke. It's a beautiful, crisp Sunday morning here, and just got a text from the boys that they wanted some ribs today for watching football. So I thought about breaking out the big cooker, but I figure I'll just use my little ceramic cooker and this fantastic rib ring from BBQ Guru. And what makes this thing great is that you can cook 6 racks of ribs in here, and you don't need a lot of space. This fits right on this big green egg, this large big green egg. You put 3 racks of ribs around there, 2 racks around here, and 1 on the inside. We might even put some chicken wings on the middle here, get those done. This makes cooking easy, so we'll have ribs done in about 3 or 4 hours at around 300 degrees on the egg. We'll wrap this in foil. This is our grease pan here. This catches the grease, makes for an easy cleanup. Boom. Ribs for the boys on Sunday. They are just about done. They're temping at about 207, 208. You see you got these bones pulling back here. Really nice color, really even all the way around. Looks fantastic.